I've set up my contacts database to allow items to be shared on social media. Having installed Dataflex Link Preview, I'm now going to configure it to display individual links across social media platforms in the way I would like. To show that database entries from my address book are shareable, I'll quickly do a search now and show you that. Search on James, and if we open James here, we'll see we get an editable link here, which if I click on that, we'll see that I can edit or delete this item. And we have this page here, update contact. If I click on open in a new window, we see we get the public link. I can't do anything from here, but I can share this link with other people, and I can share it across social media using these buttons. So let's go across to Dataflex Link Preview and set up database entries as we want them to appear across social media platforms. So if we go back to our dashboard and we click on Dataflex Link Preview, this page lists all our databases which we can configure for social media. Also, we can create a default image for any of these databases. So I'm going to do that quickly. And we'll choose that and close this window, and we'll save this. We'll see that it's been saved OK, and the database we're going to configure is database 1. Scroll down. Right, so here we've got a choice of what we can add to the preview. So what I'm going to do is, for Facebook, I'm going to add the site name, which is this here, and I'm going to add address book, and for the description, I'm going to add name and region. And for the image, I'm going to say it's going to be the contact picture. And we'll say use default, and that means if the contact picture is unavailable, the default image, this one up here, will appear instead. So we'll save that. And that is saved OK. We'll also do the same for Twitter. We're going to do this slightly differently. I'm going to do address book and name, and then in description I'm going to put name and region. Image, will use the same image, and we'll use the default if we don't have an image, and we'll save that. So now if we look at our sharing links on a specific database item, we should be able to see what they look like on different social media platforms. So let's open this again. Rather than go through each of these and show you what they look like, I'm going to copy this URL at the top, and bear in mind the URL that I am copying is the shareable URL. And we're going to use this website here called opengraph.xyz, and this is a really good way to see what your database entries will look like across different social media platforms. So I'm just going to paste that in here now, and we're going to click check website, and we'll see here that on Facebook on the right hand side it will look like this. WordPress plugin tutorials address book with the description as we set up. James is the name and Palace of Westminster is the location. In Twitter it will look like this, and LinkedIn like this.